Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to find a message real quick on the Google Chat by iOS or iPhone. So it's really easy and basic things that you as a Google Chat user have to know. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Chat application, and after you open it, you just need to take a look on these several sections down here. There will be like 4 sections. First one is the home, which is the room chat collections that you have, and then here is the conversations between of you and your friends. This one is for space, and this one is for someone that you mentioned or someone who mentioned you on their chat. And to find a message, you just need to decide and remember like where exactly those chat is placed in. So I mean, you just need to find the subject or your friend's chat that containing the message that you want to looking for. So let's say here I would like to looking for my certificates or anything related to certificate that I give or I received from this my friends. I just need to open the room chat, and after that I just need to take a look on this top right corner. There will be 2 buttons. So to find a message real quick, go click this magnifier icon, and I just need to type the certificate and then go click search, and then the Google Chat will find the message for you, and you just need to go click it to open it. So that is the way guys how to find a message real quick on the Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.